good evening to everyone. Welcome to TechEasy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can put date on your home screen on your Android mobile. See here on this right mobile, which is Motorola H50 mobile, there is date along with the time, and here on the Nothing mobile, there is no date on the home screen. So I'll be showing you how you can put date on the home screen, and at the end of the video I'll be showing you how you can do that on Realme mobile also. So on different mobiles you can keep this date. So first what I'll do is to keep time, what you can do is give a long press on your home screen, so that you'll find this widgets option. Click on this widgets and see here, find something like clock here. So under the clock there will be digital and also analog. So yeah, there is no time, right? Only time is there, there is no date. So here is the date. So tap on the date and there is only one version, so drag this and drop it on the home screen. So there is no enough space. What I can do is I can remove some of the widgets and try again. Press and hold, click on the widgets and search for the date and tap and then drag and drop. See, 2nd April. I can also customize this widget settings. Okay, show date and week, auto update. Okay, we'll check it now. See here, 2nd Thursday. So I'll be showing you that on Motorola also. Press and hold, click on the widgets and see here. Here also I'll be going through the clock here, and on the clock there is time and also date. Okay, I can choose this one. See, Thursday 2nd April along with the time. Now I'll be showing you on the Realme mobile. We'll see on the Realme. Give a long press on the home screen so that you'll see these widgets at the bottom. Tap on this and here also there is clock widgets right here. See here, select any one and drag and drop it over here so that you'll get the date here. And you may ask, what is the clock here? So the clock here is the default clock within the Android only. So if you have this clock, the respective widget will be available. For Nothing OS, the widget is from the clock only, so slightly UI changes will be there.